O'Neill here. This is last year when we headed down to Canberra to pick up the Challenger, which we bought at Pickles auctions in Fyshwick. It's a 2013 model, low kilometres, with a snorkel, front and rear tow hitches, steel bull bar, side steps and roof bars, all from Mitsubishi. The double Titan drawers don't fit in a Challenger, so I decided to make a base unit out of ply and then mount a single Titan drawer to the top of the base. I made a quick trip to Bunnings for ply and fittings and marine carpet to cover it. I couldn't get any marine carpet to match the Titan drawer unit, but that's not a major issue. The base unit is attached by brackets to the anchor points in the rear of the Challenger. I used high tensile bolts to secure it.
There's one bracket. Now the front bracket. And there's the back bracket, this one here. And the other side.
Here it is painted in white. Here I'm removing the top of the drawer system to secure the drawer to the top of the base unit. Now this was my solution to the Titan drawers not fitting in the back of a Challenger. They're just slightly too wide. But I've since found out that BCF sell a double drawer unit that will fit, so that probably would have been a good option. But anyway, it's useful to have the room underneath. So this is the base and drawer unit completed. There's room underneath for shovel, tool bag, 2 chairs. There's also a room on the side, and there's a battery charger on the other side, a table on top, my portable winch, and it's been very useful, I must say. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.